Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
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 Okay.
Good.
Yeah. All of you on video, please. Okay. It's very nice. Okay. Some of you have submitted. I really had some feedback on each of your assignment. Some of you have not submitted. I know. Okay. Harshit, did you check your answers, Harshit?
In what, Auntie?
In the mandatory sixth grade assignment.
I turned it in.
Yeah, you turned it in, Ma. Did you check
Mm.
your answers?
No, I did not.
Then what is the use of turning it in? Already I've told you, right?
Yeah, I was gonna check it after. I was at first I didn't see it. I only saw the integer puzzle. So then after I finished, I just realized. So then I was thinking about checking it after I was done, and then on submitting it, and then changing it.
No, right? I mean, I see, before you come to the class, I want you to do all that, right, Amma?
Mm.
That is quite important.
Okay,
Shruti,
Auntie.
you had some questions, I know. Can we go over that? Very nice. I don't know for Akshat who is checking it, I don't know, but it is very clear.
My
Uh,
mom and my dad did it.
oh, wow. Okay. And a question I have for you, Akshat. Were there any questions you did not understand?
No, I think I got all of them. Had a little difficulty with the first one, but then I got it.
I see. Yeah, what was the difficulty on what type of
Yeah,
problem?
at first, the first one was like putting it on the graph. I got a little confused, but then I got it.
Oh, putting, oh, I see. So you now got it. So you don't
Yeah.
need me to explain that.
No, I'm good.
Okay. And Kiara, I was looking through yours. Did you have any questions, Ma?
Actually, the questions like the first few, I didn't really like understand how to do it.
Mm-hmm.
So I didn't really do it. But then like other questions, I didn't understand. I didn't do. But like the questions I did, I understood.
Yeah, yeah. See, your work was so clear on most of the questions, but my only question to you was, did you check?
I
Did you
didn't get
check with the key?
all of them, but I did check some.
I need to see. Then only you will come and ask me questions if you didn't understand, right? That piece is completely missing, Kiara. You see what I mean? If you don't check right, you will never come and ask me questions, and I want you to ask questions. Saket, I did see yours. You had shown work which I really loved. At the same time, who is checking it? Are you checking it?
My mom checked it.
Oh, checked it. Okay. Did you have any questions based on wrong answers?
No.
Okay. Okay. Shruti, can we go over 26, 27, and 30B?
Okay, but for the integer puzzles, pages 9 through 12, I didn't realize that you told us to do that. So, and I also had a swim meet, so I wasn't able to do it.
No problem. I know how you have been submitting. See, one off is all okay for me, right? Meaning, 1 week I'm not well, 1 week you're not well. That is all fine. But on a consistent basis, I would expect you to submit. That's all. As long as you submit, I'm fine.
Auntie.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sorry, I have a question
Yeah.
on the mandatory one. Question number 23. First of all, I
Tell-
don't think we reviewed counting the difference between whole numbers and counting numbers. I understand everything else. And how do you draw a Venn diagram with 4 different topics?
Okay. Let me go there. If you have questions, it's my duty to resolve now. Ah, 1 second, guys. I need to share the right. You see my screen? You see my screen. Can you tell me the numbers, question numbers, please, Harshit?
23.
23. That's what see, I told you not to do 23. If I am right, I did say.
Yeah, she told us not to do 23, 24, and 25, right?
See, Harshit, you are not reading the instructions, I feel then. But wait, where is it, Amma? Did I put it? Yeah, see? Omit Q1 to Q5, 23, 24, 25. See?
I didn't understand.
True, but I did not ask you to do those, right? You got it?
Okay, auntie.
Harshad does not matter, Harshad. Just that we learn, right? Every week we learn. Absolutely fine. So I'm going to teach that today.
27.
Because I never went over this. You said just now, right? So we will go over this, okay?
Yeah, when I looked at the first one, it said a whole number is 0, so I assumed that whole numbers are just zeros, and counting numbers are the others.
But I told you to omit 1 to 5. I knew you will come and ask. Good, okay, but we will do, don't worry. Okay.
I did one to 5 though.
You did 1 to 5?
Yes.
But you were not asked to. Neil, did you submit your assignment?
Yes.
Ah, really? Then how did I not see? Oh, yes. Neil. Oh, you know what? Okay, I know why. Yes, you did message me. You know what? I did reply to this, right, Neil?
I don't know.
I did reply to this somewhere. I don't know where I replied, but I did reply to this. You know what? The moment you send me this message on November 10th, I verified your assignment, okay? Because I was online then. But what I saw was I could not see any of your work.
Okay, I'll tell my dad.
Okay, you want me to show you? See, this is what I see. That time itself, I checked and replied. I don't know where I replied. I have to check. Wait. Wait, I have not replied here. Then where did I reply? I need to see. Wait. See, I saw this, okay? And I also requested you not. Did you open the document in Word?
No.
Then with what software are you opening? Because
I opened it with Canva.
Canva, is it opening as a Word document or a PDF?
It's a Word document, I think.
See, you cannot do that. Then none of your answers will be correct because see, it changes the entire document to different fonts and different. Sometimes the answers also become different. And see, I want to see work. I'm not seeing any of your work here. You see, just circling answers doesn't help at all. You want to see what I'm expecting, I'll show you. See, this sort of work. I want to see work in your in your assignment. See here. See here, I could see the way he has done, I can understand why he has cancelled these out. Similarly, I saw some work here. Do you see? Wait. Let me show you some work I need to see for each problem. This one had some work. Wait, let me show you. I want to see the details of what work you're doing, Ma. That I could not see in yours. You got it?
Okay.
Kiara had shown work. I'll show you. This is what I'm expecting to see. See, here I can clearly see what she has done, how she has compared. It's messy, but then that I like it. You see what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, and you see here, see how she's 33 point, see she's dividing by 5. I can understand how she verified her answers. You got it? This is what I want to see. And she has
Okay.
some the important parts of the question as well. Okay. So that's good. Varnika, what is your question, ma? Varnika, what is your question?
So I wasn't really able to turn it in, but so you know that 1 to 12, 1 to 5 and the 23, 24, and 25. Since there was like this word called omit, I didn't know what that means. So I accidentally did it. But
Yeah.
I also have one more question because you know that 9 to 12 assignment, there wasn't a link in it to like see the PDF so I could write it on paper or not in the book. And I actually don't know where the 9 to 12 is, like the second assignment.
Why? It was given the previous week, right? If you had followed it, you will know. Why did
Yeah,
you?
I actually never saw it though. I
Huh?
never found it. I actually never found it though, like where it was.
Okay, why did you not ask this in class? Somebody would have helped you, right?
Yeah, but I just found it this week because I
Amma,
saw it was posted on Monday for like me.
Kiara, sorry, Kiara, this is not acceptable at all because you see, you could have asked the class. The entire classroom is for you. Somebody will respond to you, right? Even if I don't respond or I did not see, right? If you had asked where is the PDF, if it is, there are certain times I forget. Immediately I put it there. So here, is this in the book you have asked? Okay, I said no. But you never said that I'm not able to find the PDF. Did you see it? And the PDF, it's here, clearly here. Do you see integer puzzles 9 to 12? Integer puzzles, first 8 pages only.
Oh,
And it's important you ask the class, hey, kids, can you, meaning, you can ask anybody here. You can put a public comment, hey, where is the PDF? Can you help me? You see, ma, that's how we learn. Got it?
okay.
Okay, hereafter we'll follow that, not a problem. Okay, can I move on? Can I move on? Okay, I want to
Sure.
solve Shruti's problem. Shruti, you had questions, Shruti. What are the question numbers?
I'm not sure if the rubric is correct
No
on,
problem. We can go over it. What is that question number?
wait, let me check.
Yeah. You want me to go to your assignment?
26, 27, and 30B.
Okay, definitely. We will do that. Can we do that now?
Yeah.
Okay, Saket, did you do these problems?
No,
I didn't. Well, I actually know.
Saket, you didn't do these problems? I saw.
I didn't see that they were there. Wait,
Hey,
no, I
you, I
no,
thought
I
you had done this one.
I
Okay, let
did
me check.
I?
Let me check. Let me check. Place each number in the fraction on a number line. So this one you're saying, Shruti, what was wrong about it? I will convert everything to decimal and easily put it on a number line.
Yeah, but um
Uh-huh.
the
Point,
rubric,
0.7, 0.8 is 4 by 5. 0.8 and then 1.5, 1.5, 1.75, 1 3 by 4 and then 1.8, right?
yeah.
Rubric was different, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go over that. That's fine. Let's see, ma, 26.
I think
Auntie, I have a question.
Yeah, ma.
How do they write on the form?
How do you really write on the?
How do you write on the form? Like the document.
There's like if you go to the so you know the mute button on the down on the left bottom left corner. If you go
Yeah.
a little bit of that, there's like a pencil button.
No,
Even
I'm
if
not
your
talking.
mouse is on the screen, there's a pencil button in the bottom left corner. If you click on that, you can draw on it.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like the PDF, like for the homework.
Oh, okay. Okay, to answer your question, Shruti, see, okay, some of them, they have a Microsoft Surface Pen and a Microsoft Surface laptop, so they can directly write on the PDF. Other option is, if you open the PDF in Notes and an iPad, you can easily write with a stylus and save it.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Thank you.
Does it give clarity?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now, Shruti, what is wrong about it, ma? Please help.
oh wait, I'm not sure about 26. I forgot what I put. But
Mm.
for 27, oh,
Go ahead.
it's asking for 4% in the list of numbers in descending order, but in the rubric it doesn't show the part in descending order. Doesn't show for 4% in the descending order in the rubric.
Oh, B?
Yeah.
You B?
Yeah.
Yes, I see it. They're forgotten. Okay. And then?
And in 30B, I think it says the opposite of -5 is -5.
Yes. Sorry, Shruti, all your All your points are correct. Taken. Sarvata, did you finish your homework?
I'm almost done. I still have like one more page to do for the 9 to 12 pages, and then I just have to do the fractions.
A fraction without fail you do, ma. We are working towards CV. That is the first assignment I gave. Okay.
Okay.
You have to do. Okay, and submit and let me know that you submitted. Arhan, did you finish your homework?
Okay.
Arhan?
Yeah, I'm about to send it after class.
Okay, good. So coming to real number system. What is this real number system, guys?
Wait, I think I know.
Okay, let me go ahead. Okay, I'm not going to let you answer right now. So I'm going to go ahead, go over the concept. So coming to the real number system, there's a smallest set of numbers that I know. Just when people started counting, right? They started counting 1, 2, 3. They did not include that 0. You see, that smallest set of numbers is called counting numbers. It did not include 0. You guys get it? Can I move on?
Wait, I don't get it. So the number 1 is a counting number?
Ordinary numbers you count, right? Akshat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Like numbers that aren't like fractions or decimals or negative.
No, I did not.
Like 0. Right?
I did not include any of those. I just included 1 book, 2 book, 3 book,
Yeah,
4 books, like that.
it's literally it's just normal numbers.
Normal numbers, yes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, but suddenly we found that we did not include 0 in the counting numbers because 0 does not indicate anything, right? So we added another set of numbers and we named them as whole numbers. What are these whole numbers? Whole numbers include 0 and all of the counting numbers. That is why the big circle represents whole numbers and the circle inside represents counting numbers. Any questions still here? So when I talk about 2, it is a counting number. It is a whole number. But when I ask you a question, hey, 2, what is the type of number? Please don't say whole number. Go to the innermost circle. Be very specific and tell that it's a counting number. You got it?
So what you're saying is 1, 2, 3 are counting numbers, and 0 and other numbers are whole numbers?
0, 1, 2, 3 are whole numbers. We did not go to the other sets of numbers. We have only accounted for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that till whatever number we know.
Wait, I have a question.
Go
So if
ahead.
you do a Venn diagram, one side is whole numbers and one side is counting numbers, there would be nothing in counting numbers and the counting numbers side.
Harshit, sorry, Harshit. Can you repeat your question?
If you do a Venn diagram, one side is whole numbers, the other is counting numbers, would there be nothing in counting numbers?
One side is whole numbers, one side is counting numbers. There will be, right, Harshit? Okay. So his question is really nice question. Good job, Harshit. He says, I will have Venn diagram. Okay, one set will be whole numbers and the other set will be counting numbers. Okay, this is counting numbers. This is whole numbers. So what would happen, you're thinking, Harshit? This part will only contain 0. Okay, this part will contain nothing. Okay, this part will contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Am I making things clear?
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
how is there nothing in the counting area?
Because there is no number that's only counting but not whole, right? Because counting numbers is a subset of whole numbers.
Oh, that makes sense, yeah.
Okay, can I move on?
Yes.
Saket, are you following?
Real numbers and integers and rational numbers
Yes.
are next, right?
Okay, if you're not following, stop me, Saket. Since you're new, I keep asking you. Dat and Charan, you're keeping too quiet and I don't know whether you guys understand along with Neil. Okay?
I get it.
Okay, thanks. Okay. So Dutt and Charan, I will definitely wait for you to submit the homework. Remember, You both, I'm going to give you some time. I know you're all working on being self-motivated, right? So which is good. Okay, I would like to support that. Okay, you can take one more day time or 2 more days time, but please definitely submit your work. Varnika, what is your question?
So I haven't actually turned in the work too,
Yes,
but
you can
but
submit
I
it, ma, along with.
will.
You can submit it along with them. I know you're responsible.
So when I'm like turning it in, so I'm not really organized when I'm doing it with the work, but I'm organized with the answers. So my work is on a separate page and it like be a little unorganized because since I didn't print it out.
Doesn't matter, ma. Does
But
not
you can
matter.
still understand though, like my work,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, please. I will like to see. Okay. Doesn't matter. Don't worry about, oh, it has to be neat or anything of that sort. Okay. Let me go ahead now. So whole numbers, counting numbers we discussed. Okay. Now what next? You know what? The black circle.
Integer.
Okay. Integers. So what does the integers? Integers means it also include all the whole numbers and counting numbers. But what is extra in integers, which is not
Negative.
negative,
Negative.
negative numbers? Yes, -3, -2, -1, -4, -5, -6, it goes on. So those are the ones that are extra present in integers. Varnika, your hand is raised. Do you still have a question?
No.
Okay. So the next set of numbers, other than these, we have always considered 1, 2, 3, but there are so many other numbers. You know,
Fractions.
1.2, 1.3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. There are so many other numbers. That belongs to rational
Rational numbers.
number set. You know, as the name implies, right? Rational means it has got some rationality to it.
Like parts of a whole, right?
Meaning, it has got rationality means they're sane. The numbers are very sane. They know what they are doing. That's how I can help you remember. How I'll tell you. Any fraction that can be represented in the format p by q is a rational number. Any fraction, 1 by 17, 1 by 19, 1 by 23, anything that can be represented by a fraction is a rational number. Okay. Apart from that,
I have like a question.
okay, let me finish, ma. Let me finish the rational number and then I'll come back to your question. Is that okay?
Hey, I don't get it.
Let me tell you. So let me finish, guys. Let me finish describing this set of numbers and then you ask me questions. Okay. Okay. Now rational number means, so any number which is like 1 by 4, 1 by 2, any fraction. I can call any fraction belongs to this set. Okay. But apart from that, suppose you have a fraction 1 by 4. When you turn it into a decimal, it becomes 0.25. So I can call any fraction as this set. Okay. But I can also say any decimal that knows its pattern. Any decimal that knows its pattern. That means what? Some decimals terminate. Some decimals do not terminate and keep repeating, right? Even if it repeats, it knows how it repeats. If the number knows how it repeats, then it still belongs to the rational number set. Because the numbers are sane. The numbers know what they are doing. Suppose I have a number like this. 0.332, 332, 332, 332, 332. It goes on and on and on. Still it is a rational number because it knows that 332 is repeated. It knows the repetition pattern. Can I move on?
I have a question.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Well, what about 9 by 9 and 3 by 3? Do they count?
9 by 9 and 3 by 3 are what, Harshat? You tell me.
They're whole numbers and counting numbers
Good.
and integers.
I told you, right? You have to be the most specific. So 9 by 9 belongs to what?
They're counting numbers.
Good job. Clear?
Yeah, clear. But I also have like a question. Like I think so are you saying that fractions like they're already in rational numbers, but so are decimals also in rational numbers? Because they can turn into decimals too.
I told you, right? Any decimal that knows its pattern.
Okay.
That means 0.25, yes, it knows its pattern. 0.22222222, it notes this pattern. 0.332332, the number knows how I'm going to repeat. Whereas there are some numbers like the number pi, where we don't know the repetitive pattern. It goes something, meaning it keeps on going. Till date, no mathematician has found out where it ends, or it keeps on going. Some numbers keep on coming. You divide, meaning pi. There is a number called pi,
Yeah.
where it is a
3
decimal. But let me finish. There's a number pi where the decimal pattern, the numbers after the decimal keep going, and we don't know where it ends and how. What is the pattern of repetition? Nobody has been able to decipher till date as to how it repeats. That number is so insane, crazy numbers, we don't even know what they do. So those are called irrational numbers. The best example is pi, but there are also numbers like square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 2, square root of 5, square root of 11, square root of 7, square root of 8, square root of 10, square root of 11. All these are irrational numbers where when they are converted to decimal, we don't know the pattern of repetition.
Wait, I have another question.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
So, like, what about 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14? Like, what if it goes on like that? Is that a rational number or is that an irrational number?
0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you know the pattern of repetition, then it is a rational number.
Okay.
So after that, what happens?
It just goes to 10, then it goes to 11, and then all the way.
Then you don't know the pattern of repetition, because the digits are only 0 to 9. After that, it goes like 10, 11 means it does not have any pattern of repetition. You see what it is?
I also have like a question too. So
1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. Harshit, did you understand?
Yeah, Auntie, I understand. If it's like one digit and it keeps going, that's irrational. But if it's like more than one digit and it keeps going, it's irrational.
Correct, because 10, 11, 12, now there is no pattern, right? You see
Yeah.
10, 11, 12, what pattern is there? Nothing is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go ahead, Varnika, go ahead.
wait. I think you answered the question like you were saying before.
Wait, I
Okay.
have a question.
Now, yes, ma.
What happens if it's like a number like 1, 3 by 5?
1, 3 by 5. You tell me, Akshat, what is this number?
A counting number?
Who supports him? Who wants to volunteer and argue for or against him? He says,
Can I?
go ahead.
1, 3 by 5 is a rational number. So the reason is the reason why it's drawn as a circle is the very middle is specific, but the one around it counts the one around it and the middle. So it's like 1, so it's like 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 and 3, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So rational number is rational number and integer and whole number and count.
Wait, Harshit. I want to stop you here. Okay, Akshat, 1, 3 by 5, right? What is 1, 3 by 5, Akshat?
A mixed number?
When you convert to a decimal,
1.6.
does it end? Does it know what it is repeating or not repeating? Does the number know itself?
Yeah.
It is very clear. It terminates. It's a decimal, right? So it belongs to rational number set. Did you get it?
Yeah, I think I got it now.
Okay. So we have covered rational, irrational. So now the real number system is what we use in mathematics. And this entire rectangle is the real number system. You got it? That
Irrational
real
number
number system.
included. Rational. Huh?
Sorry. I was speaking.
Oh, sorry. Irrational number is included.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. The entire rectangle belongs to the real number set. You all got it? Saket, are you following, Saket?
Yeah.
Okay. So real number system constitutes rational. Okay. Drawing it another way. Can I go ahead and erase all of this? Okay. Now let me put it in a different way so that your brain thinks of it differently now. Real numbers can be categorized as rational, irrational. Now there is no subset of irrational, but then rational can be what?
Integers.
Integers can be
Whole numbers. And that can be counting numbers.
yeah. This is another way of representing. You all got it now?
Integers can also be negative
Yes.
numbers.
Integers does involve definitely negative numbers. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What next I wanted to say? Mm-mm. Okay.
So that
Okay.
makes
So
sense.
let me go back. Okay. You're going to send the answer in chat. I really want to see how many of you really understood. Okay. Let's see this one. Can you answer this one in chat, all of you? You know what? I didn't take attendance at all. 1 minute, guys. That's something I hate to do. I don't like taking attendance, but I think I have to. Wait.
And yeah, I answered this question. Yeah, I did.
You are going to send it in chat, I told you. Okay, now let's go ahead. I have to take, wait, guys. This is Beast 5, right? Yeah. See with Beast 5. Yes, this classes. Okay, so this is November 12th, right? Parshut, you're here. Aditya, oh, I know. Akshat, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, Dutt is here. Charan is here. Shruti is here. Arhan is here. Kiara is here. Varnika is here. So I will get you added, Saket. Any other, anybody else whom I didn't call? Sarvata, I didn't call you, right? Oh, you switched this week, right, Sarvata?
I switched to this one.
Yes, yes, yes. See?
I
Anybody
don't
else?
think my name.
Akshat, why I didn't call? No, Akshat, I marked you. Okay. So we are good, right? All of you I called. Neil, I didn't call you, right?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yes, I know. Because you know why? Because you switched from September 27th. That's why I didn't call you. Okay.
Is my answer correct?
1 minute, Amma. Neil and Sarvata switched on. Okay. Is your answer correct? Everybody answered. Charan, yes, Charan. You can turn it after the class. Charan and Saket, I don't understand what you guys did. Can you explain?
Can I use the pencil thingy?
Absolutely, you can do. I would be happy.
Like this is counting,
Correct.
and this is rational, and like
Correct. What comes in between?
whole
But
numbers.
zero is there. Did you see? Did you see in the innermost circle? 0 was there. So what happened?
Oh, wait, that's a whole. So this is
So what comes in between?
integers.
Yeah. Saket, where did you not understand?
I guess because by the time I was still solving, and then you said like everyone was done and you're gonna review it, so I just guessed.
Don't worry, Saket. I will give you time. Okay, you have to think and answer. Okay. What is the answer, Saket? You take your time. So what is section B?
G. Oh,
Yeah.
wait.
Good job.
G.
Can I, can I say how I got my answer?
You want to say, I want to move on. If you all understand, there's nothing for me to lie there. You tell me, Akshat. It's okay.
Can I say, can I say how I got my answer?
Yeah, quickly say. Come on.
So a while ago you said that negative numbers would be integers. So like G would be the answer.
Okay.
Wait, isn't integers negative and positive?
What is it, ma?
Aren't
negative
integers
and positive whole numbers.
Yeah.
Yeah, integers does involve negative and positive numbers. Got it? Okay. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Let me see. Oops, 1 minute, guys. There is some issue. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me go ahead and give you one another problem and then deal with this problem. Okay.
I was just messaging, see?
What, Amma?
Not on you.
Oh, you're good. You're talking there. No problem. Can I move on? Okay, I want to give you one more.
Sorry, I was just telling something.
No, no. Did you want to say something or are you talking there?
I didn't know to tell something.
Sorry. Did you want to say something? I didn't hear you. What is that?
I didn't want to say something.
Okay, you didn't want to say something. Okay. Number 5.
Is my answer correct?
1 second.
Miss Priya, I accidentally sent the wrong answer.
Okay, I'll wait. I'm glad you're recognizing it. Good job. A good job. Everybody got it. Saket, can you go over it once more? Saket.
Since rational numbers is over, can I annotate?
Yeah, please. Feel free to.
Rational numbers is over here, and there's like nothing in the rational numbers. And the integers are here, and then the whole numbers are here, and the counting numbers are here in the center. So then,
But did you read the question, Saket?
oh, okay.
So very important. Okay, and somebody else got it wrong. So I want you to redo and send.
Was it?
Yeah, Neil, correct. Sarvata, I want you to redo. Guys, reading the question, answering is important. Sarvata and Saket, I'm going to wait for your answer.
Mine correct?
Mm.
My answer correct.
Sarvata, correct. Saket, can you explain now?
So can I annotate?
Yeah, please. You don't have to ask. Go ahead.
So basically, since the rational numbers is here and the integers are here, I thought that 0 is isn't it, is 0 like Since I thought 0 is not part of whole numbers. It was part of.
Zero is a part of whole number, right?
Oh, wait. Oh, I got whole number, counting number confused.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then.
So please redo and send.
So then,
All of the others got it right. Shruti, is this new to you, or this system, is it new to you, or what is it?
It's new to me.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. But this will be a part of the CBE, ma. There will be 1 or 2 questions, 100% on this. Okay, but just so you know. Okay, can I move on, guys?
And I have a question. Will the questions be like this in the CPE? Like answer choices and all?
Yes.
Or will it be differently?
It will be like this. Hey,
Okay.
Harshad, can you send me your grade in chat? Quickly, I have a question on that. Sorry. Can you
For what, Auntie?
send me what is your grade in chat? Which grade are you studying? Just send it to me in chat.
Oh, okay.
Saket, you got it right now. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you 2 questions. You're going to tell me true or false on both. Okay, I am waiting for your input. Can you send? Arhan, did you send the answer, Arhan?
for this question,
Arhan, what are you doing? If you're not answering, I don't want classes. I have already told you, I need answer for every question. And if I see that at random you're not answering, it's important for me. It's a concern.
for this question,
Yes, because the question
yeah,
was
I
5
sent my
minutes
answer.
back.
I sent my answer.
You sent, wait, then I am sorry. Yes, Arhan, you are the first one to send. I am sorry, Arhan. Can we move on?
Yeah.
I am completely sorry. I did not see. Okay, how about this? Even if you don't know, just send you don't know, okay? Because I'm so particular that it has to reach all of you. How about this?
Wait, what do we do?
Oh, you're in, oh, I see. Oh, there's a question on the board. Did you see? I want true or false. Both, please,
Oh,
both together. Please send both together.
What does subset mean?
Subset means inner group.
Oh, okay.
Suppose, let's say, how to tell you? Okay. Now, you know about real number system, right? Counting numbers are a subset of integers. Okay, whole numbers are a subset of integers. Counting numbers are a subset of whole numbers. You got it?
Auntie, are my answers correct?
Yes, ma, I'm going to go over it. Wait.
Is my answers correct?
Wait, Amma. Each of you have gotten different answers. Ah, wait, I have to check. Counting numbers are sometimes called natural numbers. Okay, Varnika, correct. Kiara, one of it is incorrect. You're going to redo both. Akshat, there is incorrect thing. So you're going to rework. I won't tell because if I tell you know which is incorrect, right? I don't want to say. Sarvata, Varnika, correct. Kiara has incorrect things in it. Akshat has incorrect things in it. Dat has incorrect things in it. Harshad correct. Neil correct. Charan correct. Shruti correct. Arhan correct. Saket has incorrect things in it. One of it is incorrect. Did you guys get it?
Is my new answer correct?
Akshat, no Akshat. Kiara, no. Okay, I'm going to deal with this. Saki, where are we? Where are we, Saket?
What?
Where are we? Saket, that's right. Good job.
I'm here.
Akshat, Saket, Kiara, I'm going to go over it. Are you listening?
Wait, I think I just saw what I did wrong.
Okay, go ahead.
No. Can you explain though? I think I got it.
Counting numbers, then whole numbers, then integers. So when you think about it, all the innermost circle within the big circle are all subsets. So basically, natural numbers are called counting numbers. So this is a subset, is present inside the inner circle, a big circle integers, right? So this is true. But rational number is outside, you see, huh? Rational number is here. So integer is a subset of rational numbers. Rational number is the superset. It is a parent. Do you see? So integers are the subset of rational numbers. Can I move on?
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay. Now, what else I wanted to do? I really want to do something more. Not very less today, guys. Okay, wait. You have to wait. Oh, Shahri. Oh my gosh. 1 second. That's true. Agreed. I realized it when I told you. Okay. Oh, Shahreen Amin, I wanted to wait. Can I put you in the waiting room if you don't mind, Shahreen Amin? We have not started our class yet. Okay. 1 second, guys. Okay, I want to give you more questions. Let me see. 1 second, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me go ahead and give you this one. So we are done with what? 6.2, 6.3 we did, right? Let me see. 6.2, 6.3. Okay, where are we on fraction, addition, subtraction? I'm yet to know from you guys. 6.2, 6.3 we did today.
Addition, subtraction, right? Or is that what you said?
Addition, subtraction of integers we are done, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now, okay, okay. When you multiply, okay, let's see this one. I did not teach you this chips. Using chips, you should be able to add and subtract.
Wait, what?
Using integer chips, you should be able to add and subtract. I'll tell you what are these integer chips. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Integer chips. This is an easy one. The thing is, you should clearly understand what it means. Suppose if I say -3 plus 2, I know you all know the answers, okay? But for standards, you should know how to do it using chips. What are these chips? I'm going to use for negative numbers, I'm going to use a red chip. Okay. For positive numbers, I'm going to use a yellow chip. Okay. So -3 means 1, 2, 3. Do you see? Now I have to add. See, this is add two positive chips. If you want to add two positive chips, what do you do? I will add two positive chips. Now what happens here? Any positive and a negative adds up to what, guys? Adds up to
0.
0. So they will form a 0 pair. You all got it? So these and this gets cancelled and the answer is one negative chip, which is a -1. Any questions here? Now,
So, but didn't we like learn this like a while ago?
you learned it. You learned, I just told you -3 plus 2 how to do it. But you should be able to do using these chip. You know where you see the difference, I'll tell you. 2 minus 3. You see? Now, for 2 minus 3, there's a big problem when you do it with chips. I know you know the answer, but that's not required. If you're asked to do it with this integer chips, you should know, right? So here, first of all, I have two positive chips, right? First of all, I have two positive chips. I'm going to take that. Now, what is this? Remove three positives. You don't have three positives. This you're removing three positives. You have only two positives. So what do? You know? You have to add a 0 pair. Whenever you don't have enough, you add a 0 pair. Now you can remove three positive chips. So what remains? One negative chip is a minus. Any questions? There's
No.
a difference between question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 2 did not have enough positive chips to be removed, so I added a 0 pair. Did you get it?
I don't get question number 2.
Oh, I get it. I get it. It's like basically the same, but the second one's kind of confusing instead.
Second one is confusing. Why? Because you had only two positive chips, but you needed to remove three positive chips and you didn't have enough to remove. So you added a 0 pair.
So basically, you just added an extra plus and an extra minus.
Exactly.
So then 3 minus 3, the leftover is the extra minus.
Exactly. So now let's go ahead and try this one.
It's basically, isn't it basically like multiplying of the top and the bottom of a fraction? It's the same fraction, but just like in different form, in the different.
We don't get to fractions, Sarshit. Let's not confuse. Now 4 minus 4 plus 6. What happens? That one is an easy one, I feel. So first I have 4 negative pairs. 2, 3, 4. Harshat, I don't want answers on these, please. Okay. You should know how to use chips. Minus 4 is there. But then you have to add 6 positive chips. What happens? The 0 pairs get cancelled. Answer is a 2. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
I'm going to ask you questions. Okay. Let's see this one. Can I see? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, how about this? If I give you this 4 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 8. 4 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 8. 4 1 by 2. Oh, sorry, guys. Saket, are you following?
What? Your voice is kind of lagging.
What is it, ma?
Your voice is kind of lagging.
Lagging for the others, how is it?
Well, yeah, same thing. Like it just glitched out. Right now you're frozen.
Uh-huh. It's the same to me. Like I can't really hear you talk and you're frozen.
Yeah.
And I don't really hear anything you say, so I can't really understand what to do.
Yeah.
Just do the problem up on the board.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I meant to say. 4 1 by 2 divide by 3 by 8. Are you able to hear me, Neil?
Yes.
What is the problem, guys? I did not explain then. So I was just keeping quiet. You thought 4 1 by 2 divide by 3 by 8. What is the answer, guys? Can all of you do it and send it to me? I want to see where we are.
Auntie, I may have went all the way to decimals and then done it, but then I remembered how to do it. Exactly when I was done. Exactly when I was done finishing, I remembered how to do it. It's been stuck in my
Auntie,
Uh-huh.
it kicked me out, so I couldn't join back in.
No problem.
Okay, do I solve this problem?
Correct, ma. Can you
Okay.
do?
Thank you.
I don't know. See, am I doing it wrong? 8, 9 by. I have to do it, guys. Oh, okay, okay. Kiara, Shruti. Kiara, good job, ma. See, you're able to do these well nicely, right now?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Okay.
Arshad, correct. That's incorrect. Sarvata, correct. Kiara, correct. Shruti, correct. Charan, it's incorrect. Arhan, correct. Harshad, you corrected it.
Auntie, what do you mean I corrected it?
I'm still working on my answer.
Sure, ma.
Auntie, I have a question.
Yeah, ma.
What do you mean I corrected it?
No, I saw the answer as 2, and after that I
Oh
saw.
no, that was not 2. That was for the question before. It was,
Oh.
I think, -6 + 4.
Thank you, Harshad, for clarifying. Appreciate it.
Huh?
That, can you resend your answer? Charan, can you resend your answer? Yeah, you got it right. Saket, I didn't get your answer.
Did I get it right?
I'm still working.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
I checked my answer, it's right.
Oh, really? That, now only you got it right. The previous one that you sent? Oh, that you had written 18 by 15. Did you see that?
I forgot to add in the extra 0 and that messed up the calculation, I think.
No problem, but you corrected it. Good job. Charan, it's still incorrect. Saket, can I do it for you on the board?
I'm about to be finished.
Okay, this week your homework will be on rational numbers, chip addition, subtraction, and then it will have probably only these two. Okay. Now here, 4s are 8, 9 by 2, divide by 3 by 8. You cannot divide fractions. 9 by 2 times 8 by 3.
Well, I fixed my answer.
Now, if you do this,
This is going to be easy.
if you do this, what happens?
Simplify it.
3 can be simplified. 2, 4. So 3 times 4 is a 12 by 1. Answer is a 12. Any questions?
I accidentally did 9 by 8.
Oh, no problem. Okay. Can I stop here, guys?
Okay, bye.
But I will continue on this next week.
Okay, bye.
Bye,
Saket,
Auntie.
yeah, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Did I show you The Alchemist?
Would be very nice. What did you do in it? Did you really finish the 4 that I asked you to?
Wait, let me share my screen. So I finished most
Wow.
of
What
negative.
an improvement, Shruti. Very nice. Very, very nice. Can we go ahead and do the negatives this week
Okay.
along with division?
Okay.
Bring the blue bar. Blue
I
bar,
have
will
a
go
question.
to 97. Yes, ma, Sarvata.
Since I was doing the Friday class homework, do I still have to do the Tuesday class homework that they did last week?
Ama, yes, ma. You know what? Our Friday class lagged. So what are you going to do is the last homework mandatory 6th grade assignment I gave. Do you have the classroom code?
Yes.
No. Do you have the Tuesday classroom code?
Oh, no.
Ma, please get it and go. Otherwise, I'll forget. You'll forget next week as well. Assignment you'll miss. I don't want you to miss. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you give me the code?
Yes. Amma, Shruti, very nice, ma, but just continue that. Does it make sense? Okay, Shruti is gone. Okay, wait. The Tuesday classroom code you want, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to give it to you right away. Okay, then I'll deal with the Sarvata. 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 Yes, I'm going to give it to you now. You can please copy it now itself, ma. Again, don't ping. Did you copy? You got it?
Can I?
Did you get it, ma?